Hey everybody, Sylvia here, and for those that are new to my channel, welcome. I am all about trikes and travel. I have been touring by trike for over 12 years. I've been on 6 continents in over 20 countries. I have cycled more than 50,000 miles, and this channel, it has a lot of tips, tutorials, reviews, but mostly it follows the continuing adventures of Myrtle the turtle, the name of my tricycle, as we go around the world very, very slowly. Thanks to everybody for subscribing and following along. You know, I usually start my videos from the seat of my trike, and my last ride from Santa Cruz de Lorica was on a much busier road, and my new GoPro Hero 7 Black, although I really enjoy it, I don't have an external microphone, and so it was just way too loud with the traffic, and so I've decided to do it when I was in a much quieter environment. But I had a wonderful stay in Santa Cruz de Lorica, got up, had breakfast, walked around, and when I finished, I went back to the hotel and I worked on a blog posting. You know, I try to do a blog posting once a week, and you know, if you're not following my blog, you should be following my blog. It's extensive. It covers 12 years of touring. And the address for my blog is in the description of every video that I make. So take a look at that. And when I finished my blog posting, I worked on a video. And for the first time, I finished a blog posting and a video in the same day. And I kind of felt like maybe, you know, making my videos is a little bit more comfortable. The process is going a little bit quicker. That was a really good feeling. And today I have some pretty big news. This tour is coming to an end. I think I have 2, maybe 3 rides left, and then I'm going to be in Medellin. I bought a plane ticket from Medellin to Los Angeles. My visa is expiring, so I have to get out of the country. I really want to be in Medellin for at least a couple of weeks. There's a lot to see, a lot to do. And I also want to take care of some medical stuff. There's nothing urgent, but it's just so much cheaper out of the country that I try to take care of lab work. And, you know, if there's any kind of easy medical stuff, I try to do it out of the country. And the other thing I'm thinking about doing is signing up for a language school again. Gosh, I did this when I was in Cartagena. I was there for 2 weeks and I studied Spanish and I stayed with a family. And it was such a really wonderful, rich experience, and I just got so much out of it that I think I'm going to do it again. I highly recommend signing up for language classes. You know, if you're going to be in a city for, you know, like a couple of weeks, and you know, it gives you a chance to enjoy the city, learn some Spanish. And for me, you know, I travel alone, and so it gives me an opportunity to be more social. But the language schools, they just take care of everything for you. And so when you're in a big city, you know, the logistics can be kind of overwhelming. And you know, if I sign up for a language classes, they will also find me accommodation, and they'll find me any kind of accommodation that I feel comfortable with. So for instance, I want to stay with a family, but you know, like for instance, the first time I signed up at a language school, it was in Mexico, and my Spanish was so basic that I didn't feel comfortable staying with a family. I felt like it was going to be too awkward, and so they found me an apartment. But this time I'm going to stay with a family, and you know, you can have a shared room with another student. You can have your own bathroom. They will even prepare meals for you, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. But I highly recommend it, and I'm actually really looking forward to exploring Medellin. There's supposed to be just a ton to see in the city and around the city, and so I think the 2 weeks will be very, very active. But in the meantime, I've put together a few clips from my last ride from Santa Cruz de Lorica to where I am now in Monteria. I hope you enjoy it, and as always, thank you for watching. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. Wow, look at this guy. He's got a motorbike, a broken motorbike on a tricycle.
Le doy gracias al cielo por haberme dado tu querer. Tú llegaste justo cuando yo más necesitaba, aliviando la herida que había dejado.
So I'm leaving little Santa Cruz de Lorica. And today I'm headed to Monteria. Bus stop here. Waiting for the bus. And I don't know if I can lift the camera high enough, but this is the Rio Sinu.
Siempre, siempre quiero soñar contigo. Siempre, siempre puedes contar conmigo. Te juro que eres mi sol, te juro que eres mi abrigo. Y ante cualquier situación puedes contar conmigo. Siempre, siempre quiero soñar contigo. Siempre, siempre puedes contar conmigo. No te rindas, no me dejes, yo te lo pido. Si tienes dudas de mí, sincero he sido. Siempre.
All along this road, there's been fruit and vegetable stands.
Siempre puedes contar conmigo. Ámame, bésame cuando.
Like, look at these bananas. Look how many there are. These are all mango trees full of ripe mangoes. Look how many there are. Wow. I could just reach over and pick one.
Soñar contigo es mi ilusión. Quiero detener el tiempo y que se pare el reloj. Y es de Colombia.
I think what they're doing is they're chasing the turtles to where the nets are. Oh, I've never seen anything like this before. It's incredible. Es para tortugas. ¿Sí? Tortugas. Wow. Increíble. Hay muchas tortugas. Para comer. Es para comer. Para comer. Ah, yeah.
Vamos al Amazonas.
Wow, big toll booth here. I think Monteria must be a very big city.
Baby con la conga.
wow, this moto lane is really wide. I went through one earlier today and it was so narrow I didn't fit. Ah! I found a bike lane, a cycle path. Ah! Let's see how far this goes. I'm very close to the city of Monteria, which I think is the capital of the department of Córdoba. So maybe this bike path will go the whole way. That would be very nice.
Por las noches y en la madrugada, ay, me picó la conga, ay, me picó la conga, ay, me picó la conga, ay, 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 conga condenada. Me picó la conga, ay, me picó la conga, ay, me picó la conga, ay, conga condenada. Ay, 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 me pica la conga.
Guy just bought himself a mattress. Getting through the traffic of downtown Monteria.
Eso, muy bien, saluda mira. Hasta afuera, mira.
Hola.
Eso.
Oh dear. Wow, that's really bad. My goodness. Wow, look at that. Okay. All right, let's see what the Hotel Santorini has to offer. At least, like they have handicap sign and there's an entrance on the street level. All right, you guys, so tonight I'm in kind of a fancy hotel. Again, like Google just gave me a hotel that was really highly rated. Sometimes they're fancy hotels. This one's probably a 4-star, and at first the room was quoted like $45 a night, but I got it down to $30. Check out this room. Look at this. I've got an elliptical machine. Crazy, huh? Nice room. I even have a bottle of wine. And then the bathroom, it's nice size, all kinds of extras. And this I'm very excited about. Of course, there's a shower head, but look, I've got 2 knobs. I have hot water. I'm gonna be able to take a hot water shower tonight. Woohoo! Living large. All right, you guys, welcome to Monteria, and thank you for watching.